how much do junior media buyers really earn? If you're a junior media buyer, meaning 0 to 2 years of experience, and you're working locally here in the Philippines, the usual range is 28 to 35,000 in usual full-time agency workshop. So full-time roles, mostly execution-based tasks. Now, if you go remote, especially with foreign clients or agencies, nasa $600 to $1,000 per month. Okay? And then those numbers change. Some junior media buyers earns more than that, and especially if may mga performance bonus pa yan, it can go higher, but that depends on the results, of course. And this is what, or where people get confused kasi they think na, ay, ang baba pala, or oversaturated na rin siguro, and baka hindi na mapasok, ganyan. But here's the part people don't tell you na junior rates are not where media buyers stays. This is where you enter. It's your entry point, okay? Because once you understand the strategy, you know how to read the performance properly, know how to work with the creatives right now as of 2026, and can explain results clearly, you stop being a junior very fast, okay? Media buying is one of those skills na your value is tied to decisions and not the effort. And now with Meta pushing nga yung automation because of the Andromeda thing, the gem, something like that, the role is shifting even more. You're not paid for clicking buttons anymore. If you watch the part 1, I explained about those things recently, and you are now paid for knowing what to test, what to scale, and knowing when to stop touching the ads, etc. It's more on decision making. You're now the one who act as someone na mag-explain kay client why this happened, why it's not working, why it suddenly stops, and what are the creative directions na kailangan natin to scale further, ganyan. So, madami. If you're starting out and the rate na ito feels low on your end, well, that phase is very temporary lang. But if you build the right skills, eventually makakaalis ka na dyan sa junior rates na yan. And the real question is not how much does a junior media buyer earn ba? It's how fast can you stop being junior? Alam mo yun? Comment part 3 if you would like to know how much yung rate ko, and if 50,000 ba or 75,000 actually good enough as a media buyer.